In this video, I'm going to break down how creator businesses can figure out if they can trust their ad manager data. No, the answer is no. I'll show you what metrics to watch, how to track them, and most importantly, how to use those metrics to grow your business. I'm Keith Perhack, founder and CEO of SegMetrics. I spent 10 years building one of the best marketing analytics tools out there. And before that, I spent a ton more years working with some of the biggest creators in the business. I helped them optimize their marketing and double their growth year over year. So let's dive in. Look, I'm just going to be honest. We all know we can't trust the ad platforms. There's a ton of reasons why. One of the biggest reasons we can't trust it is because they look at their own data. Facebook is only showing Facebook's data. Google is only showing Google's data. They're not showing the multi-touch attribution, the cross-platform journey that people are taking as they become aware of your brand and convert into a customer. And so this really goes beyond the issue of, oh, they're not tracking it accurately or they're not reporting it correctly that you get with the web pixel and everything. You need to be able to understand where people go through that entire journey. So I want to show you real quick within our advertising report, the thing that we focus on here is a number of things, but one is those attribution models. So we're able to say, I want the first click. I want the first click in the date range. I want people who clicked on an ad 3 months ago. I want to see what their first click was of all time, etc. And I want to be able to break stuff down within that attribution window by the account, by the campaign, by the set, by the ad. I want to look at all of these things and be able to see when I see 14 customers here in this report, I want to be able to click on that and get 14 names that work with that. In this case, we had multiple purchases. So you can see Rutherford's here. So we have 14 customers, 18 purchases, and we can prove that right there. So why don't the numbers match? Well, we can tell you exactly who purchased, who came in, and who bought what, because we are seeing all of this information, right? So this is really what you need when you are looking to optimize your ads. And let me show one more thing is that we always have these branded search, and everyone knows this is the Google tax, right? And so when we're optimizing our ads, we don't want to look at branded search as a way to optimize our ads, because really at that point, the sale is already made. We're just competing with our competitors to who can spend the most money for our branded name, right? And so when I'm looking to optimize ads, I am actually doing the opposite. And I say, I don't want to know what's going on with the branded search. All I want to know is what that last touch is before the branded search, or that last touch is regardless of the branded search, or what that first touch is without that branded search. Because I want to know what is really driving leads and customers and that cost per acquisition, not what I'm having to pay the Google tax for my essentially paid SEO. I hope that helps. If you'd like to see how this works in your business with your data, you can sign up for a 14-day free trial of SegMetrics. Learn more at segmetrics.io. Thanks for watching.